Hello there, and thank you so much for joining us. This is Business Nigeria, Tuesday's edition. Now, these are the stories we're tracking for you right at this time. Minister calls for enhanced public-private sector collaboration in arts industry. NETI promises to monitor efficient use of mineral resources revenue. Stocks rise, gold hits record high as investors await Trump's tariff clarity. Well, let's look at the commodities market very quickly before we get to our first conversation this afternoon. Gold's been doing pretty well in this market, $3,159.20 an ounce. Silver, $34.80. Copper, $509.25. Platinum, $993.39. All in, copper is in green, and we have platinum in red this afternoon, 0.44% down. Let's go to the Africa commodities market. Corn is also doing well this afternoon, $458 a ton. Wheat, $537. And cocoa, $8,116. That has been doing pretty well too in recent times compared to what we've had before now, between $7,800, $7,900, but now it's above $8,000. That's pretty better than what we used to see. Cotton, $66.92, mixed bag, and all in green, 0.16%, 0.505% for wheat, 2.71% cocoa, and cotton is 0.13%. Well, let's see what the stocks are looking like here. Global stocks rose today following Wall Street's overnight gain, while gold hit an all-time high. That's what we see, an all-time high peak this very afternoon. Now, let's look at Euro Stock 50 features. Now, that's 0.7%. in green. That's talking about global markets this afternoon. Plus, you go to S&P 500, it's also 0.55% in green. That's it this afternoon. The futures are 0.1%. That's pretty for in red. That's stocks rise, gold hits its record high as investors await Trump's tariff clarity. Well, that's what we've seen this very afternoon in that market. Now, Treasury yields fell as markets awaited details of U.S. President Donald Trump's reciprocal tariffs. The Japanese yen held firm as Swiss franc and traditional haven assets drew demand. European stocks got off to a stronger start after the previous day's bout of profit-taking, particularly in assets that are highly vulnerable to U.S. tariffs. The index, which rose 5.1% in the first 3 months of the year, was up 0.7% in early trading, with pharma and technology stocks leading the way. The S&P 500 gained 0.55%, snapping a 3-day negative run, but futures is 0.1%. U.S. equities markets are priced for a slowdown in growth and earnings. Gold powered to a record high for a 4th straight session. I said that earlier. Also, the Halsey retreated from that market. The day's high to trade at 0.1%, lower at 0.62%. Crude oil prices rose on supply fears, trade war concerns capped gains, and it inched higher today after threats by U.S. President Donald Trump to impose secondary tariffs on Russian crude and attack Iran. Though worries about the impact of trade war on global growth capped gains. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude is down, selling at $71.32, and is down 0.22%. Brent crude futures is also in red, selling for $74.62 per barrel. And it's also down 0.20%. Bonnie Light is down 2.84%, selling for $78.62 per barrel. For the OPEC basket, dealers offer $76.11. It has a